Yeah, dear students, welcome to CAT course, Flipped Learning Contents, Flipped Learning Contents. Okay, today we are going to make the 3D object of this one, right? And last class we have learned that we have 2D drafting, right? 2D screen, okay? 2D screen and this one is 3D basic screen. Yeah, this one, if you see this one, 3D basics, okay? And 3D modeling. This one is 3D modeling. And we are going to use 3D basics, okay? And only this one for making, yeah. So start AutoCAD. So we are only use this one, okay? Yeah, for making this site, I use box, okay? One box, 64. Okay, and height, yeah, height of the box is 22. 64, 100, okay, 22. Yeah, so we open a CAD ISO 3D.dwt, okay, and turn off the grid, and zoom all, okay, and go to 3D basics. This one is 2D, 2 dimension. 3D basics, create a box first, okay, box 0, 0, and box size is 100, 64, and height is 22. Bottom or top, okay, 22. So one more box, I'm going to use one more box for this one, right? One more box. So 15, 64, and height is 75. So box 0, 0, and yeah, this side, that is 15. Sorry, one more box, 0, 0, and that is 15, 64, enter, and height is 75. So now these two are different, right? Different, these two. So union, use union, okay? Union. So select this one and enter. Now, a union, select this object and this object. Okay, now become only one object, okay? And now create the wedge, this shape, right? So 70 and 12, the height is 40. 70, 12, 40 height, okay? You can create wedge somewhere here and you can move that one later, wedge, right? So origin is doesn't matter because we're going to move that one. That is 70, 12, and height is 40. And make sure that you turn on this one. You turn on this one, right? Turn on this one and select the midpoint, okay? If that one is not turned on here, so 3D object snap, 3D object snap and dynamic ECS, and yeah, these are 2D object snap. 2D object snap is this one. Okay, yeah, and here, so move this object, move. Okay, move, select, enter, and midpoint, right? Midpoint is why the midpoint is just here. Move, enter, make sure that midpoint, 3D midpoint coming to here. Okay, 3D midpoint. And before making this move, you should make union, because I want to see the midpoint of that edge. Okay. Okay, now we are going to make a triangle here. Okay, and we are going to make a triangle here, and we are going to make a dovetail shape here, like this one, and use pressful, right? So for that one, I choose, for making 2D sketch, I choose another layer. Okay, 2D sketching. I want to use color, red color, and I want to change. Okay, so this layer is for making 2D sketch. Okay, so because edges, right? Edges are not seen clearly. I mean, the sketch, when you make sketches, right, with the same color, is not good, difficult to see clearly. Okay, yeah. So change to this layer and change to right hand side, right? Make this one the right hand side. You can also choose left hand side. Okay, no problem. So yeah, you can choose left hand side, right? I choose left hand side, left hand. Okay, left hand side, and make a line, right? So make sure that this one is you are doing here. Okay, and doing here, and that is 16. Yeah, make sure that this one is turned on to see, and one more line, 16. So yeah, so left is better. You can choose left or right. Okay, left or right, no problem. Left side or right side. Okay, you can choose any of that. So line, right, make a line, and I'm going to use 2D mirror. Drafting and annotations, go to drafting and annotations and use mirror, right? 3D mirror also you can use, but 2D mirror is more straightforward. Okay, enter, select mirror, enter. So midpoint, you can see the midpoint, and enter. And yeah, so next I'm going to make this one, right? This shape, sorry, this shape here, same. I'm going to use a line, this one, this line, I don't know the length of this line, top line I know. So use line, right, line, and make sure that you can see the midpoint of the edge, mid line. Yeah, and the length is I don't know any length. Okay, enter, and top side, so from here This one is 12. Enter, and this one is 30, right? So 15, 15, 15, enter, and so the angle, right? Angle is tab minus 120 degrees. Okay, you can choose minus 120 degrees because, okay, so this angle is minus 120 degrees. So minus 120 degrees. Okay, because we are doing this one in clockwise, minus 120 degrees. We have to choose. And this one 120 degrees means it will make line like this. So 120 degrees. Okay. And yeah, so we have to trim. So this one trim is not working here. This one, and okay, you can erase if you want. You can erase this. Delete. I don't want to. Yeah, this line also delete. Okay. So that line is from why is up to the midpoint. So make sure that perpendicular. Okay. And use mirror. Okay, yeah, finished. So these are the 2D sketches, and go to 3D basics. 3D basics. So this one is for making 3D, or you can choose this one, or southwest isometric view, and you can choose a press pull option and turn off this one. So 0. Okay, 0. Choose 0 layer. Okay, because we are going to 3D mode, and press full. This one. Why? Let me. Yeah, press full. Make sure that you select inside, and again press full. And length doesn't matter. Okay, length should be 15, right? But it's okay, 30. And again press full. This one inside. Okay, length doesn't matter. Okay. And if you don't want to see the edges, right, turn off this layer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this one is 3D mode. Okay. Yeah, you can choose the conceptual mode. Yeah. This one is 3D model of this object. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.